50 Days of Attempting to Change the World by Nima Radan Art. Leaving behind good children encompasses more than just biological offspring. It is about nurturing and guiding the next generation, instilling in them values of compassion, empathy, and responsibility. By raising children who are conscious of their impact on the world, we ensure that the cycle of positive change continues beyond our own lifetime.
Day 30. Abundance. Heavenly Father, thank you for the abundance in my life. Help me to share my blessings with others and to be generous in all aspects.
Today's motivation is ours for a happier world.
Celebrate small victories and keep moving forward.
Today's decision is ours for a happier world.
Volunteer at a local farm or community garden.
For unity for a happier world.
In unity, we can create a world where every child has a chance to thrive and fulfill their potential.
What is the purpose of our life?
The reality of our presence is that we are here to learn from nature, to respect and protect the earth.
I believe that each of us can play a role in building a better world with our small and big decisions. I want to take this opportunity to remind others that we are all human and together we can make the world a better place. I want you to join me on this journey. Together we can make a difference. Sincerely, Nima.